Hey Salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making mouth-watering chicken stir fry with vegetables and noodles. A quick overview: we're gonna start with our vegetables, our sauce. Cook and glaze the chicken, stir fry the vegetables, add in the sauce, glaze those beautiful veggies, then add in our noodles, mix up everything and finish off with some beautiful spring onions and coriander. It's gonna be amazing. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're going to start by preparing our vegetables. I'm using cabbage, carrots, peppers, onions, chilies and bean sprouts. Now you can use any of your favorite vegetables. You want to julienne your vegetables. Try to keep them in a similar sort of shape so they will cook evenly. With the spring onions, you want to thinly slice it. I'm also going to make a paste of ginger garlic to flavor our oil. And you also want to finely chop your chilies. Our beautiful vegetables done. Now for our stir fry sauce, in with hot chili sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, finely chopped ginger and garlic, toasted then grounded sesame seeds. Give that a mix and set aside. Alright, let's get cooking. Turn up the heat to around medium high and with a good touch of oil. You can use sunflower, sesame or olive oil, it's up to you. Now in with the chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. In with a good touch of salt. And let the chicken cook until it's completely done. And the chicken has a light brown color. In with some of the sauce that we made and give it a really good mix. We're just gonna glaze our chicken with the sauce. Cook it for another minute. Alright, so that looks fantastic. The chicken is done now. Remove this onto a plate. Before you start cooking the vegetables, start boiling the noodles. Now in the same pan, add a touch of oil. In with ginger garlic, chilies, mix. You want to saute this and flavor the oil. Touch of water to ensure nothing burns. Let's start adding in all the vegetables. I have my carrots, onions, peppers, cabbage. Give this a mix and you want to stir fry these vegetables. You will notice the vegetable will start to loosen their moisture. You don't want them too soft. I like a bit of crunch on them. Touch of vinegar for acidity. Now throw in the bean sprouts. Again, give this a really good mix. Add in some of the sauce. We're gonna glaze our vegetables. Now you can add more or less depending on your taste. In with the cooked noodles. Just throw them in. And with a good touch of black pepper. Good touch of salt. Some of this red chili. Some of this fresh coriander, spring onions. Make sure the heat is on low while you do this. Our leftover sauce, some of this sweet chili sauce, finally a touch of soy sauce. Now slowly give this a really good mix. Combine all those vegetables and the noodles together. We're gonna let this cook for around 2 more minutes. Let the sauce get in there and glaze this really nice. That looks so beautiful, man. And it smells great. All the beautiful ginger, garlic, those chilies. and our amazing vegetables. Wow. Add the chicken on the top. Just a slight mix to that. That looks amazing. I'm just gonna have a little taste. Alright guys, let's plate this up, add in those beef and noodles. I'm serving it with a bit of these spring rolls. Finally, you want to garnish it with a bit of the spring onion and coriander. A beautiful chicken stir fry with vegetables and noodles. Done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks amazing. Just have a look at that. Beautifully coated noodles in the amazing sauce. That beautiful ginger and garlic. Those chilies. Bismillah. That's amazing. The spice is perfectly balanced. One of the best chicken stir fry noodles that you're gonna try. This is cooked to perfection. You need to try this. That was so delicious. It's got a bit of kick to it, but it's amazing. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.